They say if you look around for something hard enough, and you just might find it. And there's some around who wanna keep you down, but shawty, don't be blinded. Feeling trapped, thinking that you can't get out of this humdrum scene. Time to turn this thing upside down. Show these people what you really mean. Ever think that you could lose your mind? Could it be the big dream you'll find? No more waiting, cause it's almost time. Everything is gonna be alright, 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 right, right, hey, hey, hey. Crashing through the sky, alright. I'm screaming to the stars, collide. I'm telling everybody, that's right. We all got the spark, we all got the spark tonight. Taking back the way we are, cause that's just the way we are. I'm crashing through the door, well alright. We all got the spark, we all got the spark tonight. Hope I feel this forever, or even if it's just tonight. I can see the end much clearer, even when I close my eyes. Trying to keep myself from falling, trying to get this thing right. I gotta do this more often. Well,